Hey, you guys. Today we're making spicy red curry sardines. Sardines, you say? Absolutely. It'll be the best sardines you ever had. Stick around.
I'm Indi, entrepreneur, Army vet, and best of all, Mom of 5. I like creating styles, food, art, and different ways to be more self-sufficient. Journey with me in the variety of my life.
Let's get into this recipe though. Here's the ingredients, but to be honest with you, I did most of my cooking just using my eye, not any particular measurements. So I did my best to give an estimate of what you would use and how much of it, in case you're like a recipe strict measurement type person. Either way, I'm gonna shut up and let you enjoy the cooking. All right, y'all, check it out. Check us out schooling at home, y'all. This is when quarantine first started, so it was a little chilly outside, but boy, we had to get out of them four walls for a second. Seemed like they was closing in on us. Needed a little fresh air. Try to break up the monotony, you know? So anyway, we enjoyed lessons by the fire that day. It was pretty cool. Well, let's get back to the cooking. And we're done. Look at that, y'all. This beats sardines and crackers any day. Even with the mustard on the side. Most of y'all didn't even know you can make a meal out of sardines. But you can. And we certainly are going to throw this thing over some rice. And that's good eating right there. That is good eating. Let's pick this thing up. There it is. Spicy red curry sardines. Let me know what you think of the recipe in the comments. Definitely let me know if you try it, if you liked it. Otherwise, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.